Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure a plan sign-up setup form in ARMember. Go to the ARMember Configure Plan Sign-up page. This is the Configure Plan Sign-up page. Here you can see all setup records. Now click the Add New Setup button and create a new setup for ARMember plan purchases. This is the Add New Plan Sign-up setup page. Here you can see multiple configuration sections. First, enter a name for your setup. After that, select the membership plan you would like to sell. If you want to add a new plan, click this link. It will redirect you to the Add Plan page where you can create a new plan and then select it here. The plan creation process is covered in a separate video, and the link is available in the video description. Now select the payment gateways. Here you will see only the payment gateways that have been configured in ARMember. If you want to configure a new payment gateway, click this link. It will redirect you to the ARMember Payment Gateways page, where you can set up a new payment gateway and then select it here. The payment gateway configuration process is explained in a separate video, and the link is available in the description. Now select the sign-up form for your purchase setup. If you want to create a new sign-up form at this stage, click this link. It will redirect you to the sign-up form creation page. Create the form there, then come back and select it here for your purchase setup. If a user is already logged in and visits the setup form, this sign-up form will not be displayed to them. Now the next setting is Form Input Settings. Here you can customize the setup form labels according to your requirements. If you want to change the card image displayed here, you can do that as well. Now the next option is Summary Text. Here you can modify the summary text according to your requirements. You can also use ARMember shortcodes in the summary text to display dynamic information. The next option is Two-Step Sign-up. When enabled, the sign-up process is divided into two steps. The first step includes plan selection, and the second step contains the registration form, payment summary, and payment gateway options. Let's look at the last option, Styling and Formatting. Here you can configure various styling options. First, let's change the plan skin. ARMember provides multiple plan skin options. You can also change the plan selection area position. The next option is Payment Gateway Skin. You can also enable the Hide Current Plan option. When this option is enabled, the membership plan that the user has already purchased will not be displayed in the plan selection area. ARMember also provides an option to hide the plan selection area completely. If you do not want users to see the plan selection section on the setup form, you can enable this option. Using these options, you can easily modify the setup form layout to match your website design and requirements. You can also customize the font settings such as font family, font size, font style, and colors. ARMember also provides a custom CSS block. You can write your own custom CSS here to customize the setup form design. Using these CSS classes, you can write custom CSS to further customize the appearance of the setup form. After configuring all the settings, click the Save button to save the setup form. The setup form has been saved successfully and is now ready to use. Copy the setup form shortcode. Now create a new page for the setup form, paste the shortcode into the page editor, and then publish the page. Enter the page title and then paste the shortcode. After that, publish the page. The page has been published successfully. Now open this page as a guest user without logging in. This is the ARMember setup form page, where users can select a membership plan, complete the registration form, and make a payment. Now go back to the ARMember Configure Plan plus Sign Up page and make some changes. Now change some font settings of the setup form. After that, save the changes. Setup form changes saved successfully. Now go to the front end and reload the page. See, the font settings have been updated successfully. That's it. This is how you can create, configure, customize, and use a Plan Plus sign-up setup form in ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.